Sometimes they're really responsive. Comes a catbird. Hear them? They're getting all excited. Eastern towhee. It's a female. Beautiful bird. Brown. Chocolate brown head. Here comes an oriole. Stay still. Goldfinch. Oriole just flew in.
Oh, pretty.
Where is it? Here's the yellow warbler. That's it.
Oh,
yeah. Look in the tree behind you, Julie. Oh my God, they're everywhere. This is cool. I don't think I've seen this many birds. Where?
That's cool.
I don't think I've seen this many birds in one spot. That's the oriole singing over there.
I see something up there. It's a pretty bird.
Well, great crested flycatcher. That's a good one right there. Right there. That's a neat one. They got a whip, whip call. It's like a really aggressive, crazy sound they do. I want to see if I can pull it up and make them respond. Oh, come on. It takes so long. Oh, there's something trying to bite my face. Mosquito. All right, we're going to head back now. That was fun.